নমস্কার ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আজকে আমি কন্টিনিউ করছি নেক্সট পোর্শনটা। এর আগের পোর্শনগুলো আমি অলরেডি দিয়ে দিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে? তো চলো কন্টিনিউ করি। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 7 এ রাইট এ নোট অন ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ টেবল। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার বি মেনশন ফিউ ফিচার্স অফ এ গুড স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্যাল টেবল, or number B is what are the requisites of a good statistical table. Answer 7A, there are three bases of classifying tables. Number 1, purpose, originality. Number 3, construction of a table. According to purpose, tables are of two types. Number 1, general purpose table. Number 2, special purpose table. On the basis of originality, tables are of two types. Number 1, original table. Number 2, derived table. However, according to construction, tables are broadly of two types. Number 1, simple or one-way table. A simple table is that which shows only one characteristic of the table. First up, a table showing number of students in different classes is an example of one-way table. Number B is complex table. A complex table is one which shows more than one characteristic of the table. First up, on the basis of the characteristics shown, complex tables may be further classified as under. Number 1, double or two-way table. A two-way table is that which shows two characteristics of the data. Full stop. A table showing number of students in different classes according to their sex is an example of a two-way table. Number B is very important. Treble table. A treble table is that which shows three characteristics of the table. Full stop. A table showing number of students in different classes according to their sex and habitation. Number 3 is manifold table. A manifold table is one which shows more than three characteristics of the table. Full stop. A table showing number of students in different classes according to their sex, habitation, and material status is an example of manifold table. Now answer to 7B देखो. Following are the features / requisites of a good statistical table are. Number 1, simplicity. Tables should be simple as possible. Full stop. It should not be overloaded with unnecessary details. Number 2, self-explanatory. A table should have a suitable title, caption, stub, footnotes, etc. so that it becomes a self-explanatory one. Number 3 is unit of measurement. The unit of measurement should be given clearly at the top of the table. Number 4, source of data. A good statistical table must show the source of the data so as to make it more authentic. Number 5 is blank part of the table. Blank part of the table should be shown with NA but not with 0. Question number 8 देखो. Point out two limitations of tabulation. Following are the three limitations of tabulation are. Number 1, a table is incapable of presenting individual items as it represents only aggregate information. Number 2 देखो. The understanding of table requires specialized knowledge and a layman cannot draw any conclusion from the table. Question number 9 देखो. Very important. R.B.D Sir এটা important দিয়েছেন. What is called diagrammatic presentation of data? Full stop. Point out few objectives, merits, utility and limitations of diagram. Diagrammatic presentation is a geometric technique of presenting numerical information through bar diagrams, pie diagrams or pictograms. First up, the objectives of diagrammatic presentation are. Number 1, to make mass complex data comprehensive. Number 2, to make quick interpretation of data. Number 3, to have eye-catching and long-lasting effect upon the reader's mind. এরপরে দেখো. the merits of diagrammatic presentation are as under. Number 1, statistical diagram simplifies the complex data and reveals almost all the characteristics of the entire data. Number 2 देखो. diagrams present data in such a simple and effective manner which facilitates comparison. Number 3 देखो. such an expression has an immediate impact upon human mind because numerical information are presented through attractive diagrams. Next देखो. the limitations of diagram are as follows. Key limitations. Number 1, misuse. Diagrammatic presentation of facts can easily be misused by the biased attitude of the investigator. Number 2 is limited use. This is not an approach of analyzing statistical facts. First of, an ordinary man cannot make correct conclusions from them. Question number 10 देखो. very important. What are the rules for constructing diagrams? Or explain few features of a good statistical diagram. 10B देखो. point out two differences between diagrammatic presentation and tabulation. 10 A answer देखो. following rules must be followed for the construction of diagrams. Number 1, attractive and effective. The main purpose of diagram is to make a visual impact on the viewer and therefore there should be clean and attractive. Number 2 is proper size. A proper size or proportion between height and width of the diagram should be maintained. Number 3 is proper title. Each diagram should be given a suitable title to indicate the subject matter of the diagram. First up, number 4 is proper scale. The scale should be chosen with great caution so that the size of the diagram is reasonable. Number 5 is proper shades and colors. Different color shades, dotted lines, etc. must be used so that the diagrams becomes attractive and eye-catching. 10B देखो. the differences are as follows. Number 1, tabulation of data does not have long lasting effect upon our mind, whereas diagrammatic presentation has permanent effect upon our mind. Number 2, diagrammatic presentation is more attractive and effective as compared to tabulation. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আজকে এতটুকু থাক। নেক্সট ভিডিওতে আমি বাকিগুলো ডিসকাস করব। থ্যাংক ইউ।